everybody doing today? We're looking at this dash cam video that a friend of mine just sent this to me. This is the I-10 crash in California. It was in Ontario, California, I-10. So I'm just going through this, man, like, what a fucking moron. The guy didn't even hit his brakes. Didn't even tap his brakes. It doesn't look like it. The witnesses that were there watching the news reports said he just was flying. Everybody else stopped. This guy's flying, didn't even touch his brakes. Just smashed into him. If you watch this video, keep watching it or watch it closely. You see the car that was in the front of the line, right behind that truck. He ended up right underneath the truck, like he was smashed underneath the truck. So, excuse me. Some of the details. So it happened. We'll go over the details. October 21st, westbound Interstate 10 near Interstate 15 interchange. It was a multi-vehicle collision, obviously. Several semi-trucks, passenger vehicles, 3 adults died, 4 others injured and hospitalized. 21-year-old male driver from Yuba City, California, arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence of drugs. And now, when you read the news reports, it didn't say what kind of drugs that he was on, because right now, as far as I know, they're still waiting on the toxicology reports. It could have been meth, it could have been cocaine, he could have just been drunk. I'm pretty sure that's covered. It could have been over the counter, right? Something that just made him drowsy. Now, it doesn't say, okay, so this driver, Yuba City, that's right in the valley. And in the Valley of California, I'm sorry to tell you, that's large concentration of Punjabis. And the name of the trucking company, I found like 4 of these. The one that I found has a website. It's definitely not that one, but Sandhu Trucking, Sandhu. There's like 4 of them. So it could be any of them. And it looks like they're all small operations, maybe a couple of trucks each. And the one, I mean, just the name sounds like it was probably Punjabi. Its location sounds Punjabi, Yuba City, the Valley. And then there was, if you look at the windshield, there's broken glass in the windshield. There's an ornament hanging down, and you can only see half the ornament, but it looks like a Punjabi ornament. So it'll be interesting to see, like, is this going to be another case? The dude couldn't speak English. I don't know what that would have to do with this. Are we going to find out this was another illegal immigrant, or is this guy that had asylum? Is he, so yeah, lots of details to come out. There's lots to watch for. That's all I got. I don't know, whatever. Unless the guy was having a heart attack at the time, I can't say I feel really sorry for him. I got hit by a drunk driver once. I was in a parking lot, and he backed into me. And when we got talking, he was slurring his speech all over the place. And I said, dude, give me a reason I shouldn't call the cops on you right now. And he's like, oh, we're both truck drivers. I said, well, I don't care if we're both truck drivers. You're fucking tanked, and you're not supposed to be driving a truck when you're drunk, right? You hit me, right? So I called the cops, and the police came, and the cop said, if I arrest him right now, are you gonna come to the courthouse to testify? I was like, absolutely, I'm gonna testify against the guy, right? So he ended up losing his license for 6 months. I don't feel sorry for you. I mean, you shouldn't be drinking and driving, right? I get home, I enjoy having a beer, but I'm home, I'm not driving. So anyways, no sympathy for this guy. He just took the life of 3 people. Anyway, we're gonna be watching this one. If you like what you see, as usual, like and subscribe. Till next time, cheers, keep the rubber side down.